Let's look at the chord transitions you'll be working on. So the first group of chords to work on is going to be going from the A5 chord, the 5-7-7, down to the C chord we have 3-3-2, over to the G chord we have 3-2-0, and then back to the A5 chord 5-7-7. So going from the A5 over to the C, you slide your ring finger over to the 3rd fret there, and then you have your middle finger down on the E string on 3, put your index on the 2nd fret of the D string. And then going from this C chord to the G, you're going to keep your middle finger in place. You're going to bring your index finger down the string and take your ring finger off. That's the transition there. So it might be a good idea to go just work on go from here to here. Just work on transitioning like this, and then work on the C to G, and then the G to the A5, and then put them all together. The next chord group, you got your D5, starting on the A string you have 5-7-7, and then you're going to switch to an A minor. So you're going to basically flip the chord shape. So your index finger goes up to the G string, and then your ring and middle, or ring and 4th finger go down a string. So you have now, starting on the A string, 7-7-5. So first you have 5-7-7, and then you switch it to 7-7-5. 5-7-7, 7-7-5. So just switching that chord shape around. And then going from this A minor to this G, you're going to slide your hand to the left 1 fret, so your index finger will stay down, and then you're going to make the same chord shape as you do with the C. So you got 5-5-4. And then you got to practice going from this G back to the D5. So we got D5, A minor, G, D5. And then the last group to work on, you're going to go from the D5, you're going to go to an E minor. So you do the chord invert, but you're going to move it to the bottom of the strings. You go from the D5 to this E minor, so you go from the A string for your root note, you're going to hit your first note on the E string. So you got 5-7-7, and then you go down to the E string, 7-7-5. And then transferring from the E minor to the D minor, I mean, not the D minor, just the D, here to here, be the same way as you went from the A minor to the G. Same thing. Then after that D, you got to transfer to the C5 over here, starting on the A string, 3-5-5. So that one you have D5, E minor, D, C5, D5, E minor, Alright, now let's put all the pieces together. So, starting with our intro, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So at the beginning there, you got your pick, hammer, hammer, pick, hammer, hammer, pick, hold, pick, pick, hold, pick. Alright, let's try it to the backing track now. we're calling verse A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 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 So it's important to be mindful of how you're going to repeat this. So if you notice, you got that big bracket with the 1 under it. So you got, where it's marked verse B, you got that first line, then the second line, then you repeat back to the first line, and then you skip down to the third line. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So far, okay. Well, if you have any questions, let me